Okay, so hello my dear friends and guys, welcome back to my channel Educate India. English 10 minutes so for SSC, MTSC, HSL, CGL and all of the government exam including railway also. So guys, without wasting our much of time directly, let's begin to our video. And first of all, starting off the 1 minute, we will revise 1 or 2 minutes the previous what exactly I have told you. So guys, let's start our revision first. To beat around the bus means, to avoid the main topic, to avoiding the main topic. Once in a blue moon means very rarely, something that happens very much rarely. Alright guys, while in a time, while in a year, while in a month, it is supposed to be okay. To let the cat out of the bag, to share a secret by mistake. Okay, you don't want unintentionally you have shared a secret by mistakenly. Okay, unintentionally something you have shared, then this called to let the cat out of the bag. Okay, to hit the nail on the head, means to speak precisely and correctly. Okay, what exactly you are speaking is it's supposed to be correct. Break the ice means, guys, to end hostility or start a conversation. Okay, guys, stop fighting. What's the big deal? Directly let's start the conversation. A bless in disguise means a good thing that seemed bad at first. Okay, under the weather means feeling unwell, that you are feeling unwell. All right guys, call it a day. Let's end this day. Okay, let's end this day. So decide to end work for the day. All right guys, cost an arm and a leg. Means expensively, extremely expensive. It's too much. I can't be able to afford this. Okay, burn the midnight oil means, guys, late night work, late night study, late night work. So that's all guys. Now directly let's begin to our new video and let's learn new type of idioms and phrases. So guys, without wasting our much of time, directly let's begin to our video and start this 10 minutes so of idioms and phrases. Okay, so cry over spilled means milk. Okay, so cry over spilled milk. Guys, what exactly you are understanding by this idioms and phrases? Cry over spilled milk means regretting something that cannot be undone. Means that guys, used when someone wastes time being upset about a past mistake and that cannot be changed. Guys, ऐसे कोई मिस्टेक आपसे पास में हुई हो और फिर उसको आप अभी बैठ करके रिग्रेट कर रहे हो, यार पछता रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. इनफैक्ट अभी आप उसमें कोई चेंजिंग भी नहीं कर सकते. You can't be able to change anything in your related to your past mistake, but still you are wasting your time to think about your past. This is called cry over spilled milk. Okay, the next one is guys, add fuel to the fire. Means guys to make matter worse. एक तो गाइस पहले से ही मैटर खराब है, ऊपर से आपने उसे और वर्स बना दिया. मीन्स इट मीन्स टू मेक एन ऑलरेडी बैड सिचुएशन वर्स बाय डूइंग और सेइंग समथिंग मोर. गाइस कहते हैं ना आग में घी डालना, लाइक दिस. ऑलराइट, एक तो पहले से वहां पे आग लगी, उसमें आपने और नमक छिड़क दिया और घी डाल दिया. सो दैट्स हाउ आग बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ गई. पहले से ही वहां पर फाइटिंग चल रही है, आपने वहां पे जाकर के एक और रीजन दे दिया फाइटिंग का. सो फाइटिंग और भी ज्यादा बढ़ गई. ओके, आपने वेपन दे दिया, सो वहां पर फाइटिंग की जगह वहां पर डायरेक्टली शूटिंग स्टार्ट हो गई गन से. ओके, सो गाइस दैट्स हाउ to fuel the fire. Okay, add fuel to the fire. Okay, fire में fuel add कर देना. Alright guys, the next one is bite off more than you can chew. Means guys, ये सुनने में थोड़ा सा weird लग रहा है. Bite off more than you can chew, how it's possible? Okay, take on more work than you can handle. Means guys, used when someone tries to do something too difficult or takes more responsibility that they can manage. When someone tries to do something too difficult or takes more responsibility that they can manage. Okay, so guys, in short, someone is trying to do something like बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट वो है. ओके, और उन्होंने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते जा रहे हैं कि भाई मुझे ये भी काम, तो मैं ये भी कर लूंगा वो भी कर लूंगा, लेकिन सारे काम बहुत ही ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. ओके, भाई तुम्हें टास्क लेना पसंद है, हम टास्क लेंगे, हम उसे कंप्लीट भी करेंगे, भले ही काम कितने भी डिफिकल्ट क्यों ना हो. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. नेक्स्ट इज गाइस जंप ऑन द बैंडवैगन. Guys, jump on the bandwagon means to join others in doing something that is currently popular or successful. Used when someone joins a popular activity to trend to not miss out. Guys, होता है ना शादी वगैरह में यहाँ पे फ्लोर पे डांस हो रहा है, सो हम भी जाकर के उन्हें ज्वाइन कर ले, ओके, मजा आएगा और किसी को ज्वाइन करने में. सो गाइस दैट्स ऑल. बहुत ही कुछ पॉपुलर पहले से ही चल रहा हो, आप भी उसे जाकर के ज्वाइन कर लो, ओके. यू जस्ट गो एंड ज्वाइन इट. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस, ओके. Hit the sack means go to sleep. Good night guys, take care, bye bye, have a nice day or night. Directly go to sleep, alright. Go to bed or sleep. Hit the sack. I'm gonna hit the sack. मैं सोने जा रही हूँ, alright. Make a mountain out of a molehill means to exaggerate a small issue. When someone make a big deal out of something minor. Guys, exaggerate means बढ़ाना. कहते ना छोटी सी बात को इतना बात का बतंगर क्यों बनाना, इतना ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया. So guys, in short, make a mountain out of a molehill, okay? Means बात का बतंगर बनाना, छोटी सी बात को बहुत ही बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना, उसका एक तरह से बतंगर बनाना. You can say that, okay? Next is guys, the ball is in your court means it's your turn to take action. अब ये आपकी बारी है एक्शन लेने की. Means you are responsible now for making next decision or step. अब आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगी, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी होगी कि अब आगे क्या होगा, ओके. आगे आप जो भी स्टेप लोगे उसकी जिम्मेदारी आपकी होगी. It's your responsibility, it's my responsibility that I am teaching you English, so it's my responsibility, okay. Alright, not yours. Yours is just duty to learn this, to come here and learn this. What exactly I'm gonna speaking? I'm speaking currently and I have spoken. To write it, learn it, revise it, it's your duty. But it's my responsibility to teach you the good words. Alright? So, the next one is guys, let sleeping dogs lie. Let sleeping dogs lie means don't disturb something that is not causing problems. A type of guys this idioms means to avoid old arguments or problems. In short guys, जितने भी old argument है वो problems हुई है उन्हें avoid करो, okay? start new. शुरू से शुरुआत करो, alright, not a big deal. पुरानी लड़ाई को भूल जाते हैं, स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं. गाइस मैंने आपको बताया था to start a new conversation. सेम यार उसका भी यही फंडा है, ओके. इसका मतलब यही है टाइप ऑफ टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू कॉन्वर्सेशन, ओके. Forget what exactly happened in the past. To start a new conversation, this is just happening this, okay. Guys, the next one is back to the drawing board means to start over with a new plan. To start over with a new plan used when someone at attempt fails and one must go back to the planning stage. Means guys, एक बार हारे, दो बार हारे, तीसरे बार भी हम ट्राई करेंगे, हम हारेंगे नहीं. Alright guys, so ये फोकस इसी में idioms phrases में ही नहीं है, आपके माइंड में भी होना चाहिए that one time you're failing, two time you fail, but third time you will definitely win. So never feel that oh my god I'm failing again and again, so I will always fail again. No, it's not never happen, okay. A single sheet of paper can't decide your future. Always think that guys in your mind, a single sheet of paper can't decide your future, okay. You're good, you know very well, okay. The next one is guys, pull someone's leg means to joke or tease playfully, used when someone is kidding or making a playful joke. Guys कहते हैं ना टांग खींचना, मुझे परेशान मत करो, जैसे कि लाइक जैसे कि पुल समवन्स लेग, किसी की टांग खींचना, उसे बार बार परेशान करना, उसे टीज करना, उसे चिढ़ाना एक तरह से किसी बात को लेकर के. सो दैट्स ऑल दिस ऑल अबाउट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. सो गाइज आई होप कि आपको ये अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. आई होप दैट यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ द वर्ड मीनिंग्स, ओके. I mean to say all of the idioms and the phrases. Okay, so guys, the next one I will start from directly to the word meanings, okay. I will first of all make you revise each and every point, each and every idioms and phrases, and directly I will explain you the next one. So guys, without wasting much of time, directly let's go to end this video. So call it a day guys, let's call it a day. I hope that you like and you understand much of points to this video. So guys, if you ever feel that this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Educate India. So always read with Educate India, and always guys be on time at 8 PM, okay. English class timing is on 8 PM and our static GK timing is on 5 PM. So I hope that you will never miss any video. Okay, so guys, take care. Bye bye, have a nice day. Our ending time counting is started from 5 4 3 2 1. Let's end it.